Welcome, welcome, welcome to Story Time with me, Miss Sheila. I hope you're having a wonderful and beautiful day. Today's story we're going to read is called Sounds of the City on Sesame Street. Sounds of the City. So let's get into it. Here we go. Out on the town, up the street and down, there's so much to hear, so much to see. Grab my hand and come with me. That's what Elmo says to Zoe, and he grabs her hand to walk her across the street. So what do you see? You see the buildings and vehicles. Oh, and then they're walking along the crosswalk. Very good. And some of the sounds we hear are honk honk, beep beep, city rhyme, city beat. Listen to the song of the street. Bells ring, birds sing, paper girls fling, and bottles ping. So they're looking at the crosswalk here, waiting to cross. And here is the paper girl flinging her newspaper. These are the bottles clinging because they're being taken to the store. What else did they say? Oh, yes, the birds. And then they said, yeah, birds ringing. Oh, here's the other one. The city hall. Their bell is ringing. And sometimes you'll hear church bells ring too. Green light go, see traffic flow. Yellow means slow. Stuck, oh no. Oh yes, look at that traffic jam. I guess nobody was obeying the street lights. Oh, look at Tutu, they're mad in there. Everyone's looking, what did I do wrong? What? So it goes honk, honk, beep, beep, city rhyme, city beat. Listen to the songs of the street. Everyone looks confused. Car horns blast, cab goes fast, biker zooms past. Hurry, don't be last. Look at them all. So here's the taxi cab driver. Look at even the flower guy is like talking to them and not watching where he's going. He's about to hit him, it looks like, with the flowers. And there's another truck behind. Goes honk honk beep beep, city rhyme, city beat. Listen to the sound of the street. Fountains splash, trash cans crash, runners dash. Watch out, don't crash. Oh, somebody looks like they're crashing on their skateboard here. There's the fountain, and they're playing in it. Oh, look at that poor guy. He might land actually in the trash can or past it. Oh, that's gonna hurt. They're playing frisbee over here. So it goes honk honk beep beep city rhyme city beat. Listen to the song of the street. Horses clip clop, leaves flip flop, boots slip slap, raindrops plip plop. Oh, oh, have you seen like the horse and buggy in your city? We have it in our downtown and it's very nice. Oh, look at Elmo and them are sharing an umbrella. Oscar is hiding. And there's Ernie. Oh, the birds are flying to a new nest. So it goes honk, honk, beat, beat, city, rhyme, city beat. Listen to the song of the street. A soft honk, honk, a quiet beep, beep. Now this is the song as the city goes to sleep. Shh. Everyone's going sleepy time. Look at even Elmo is going shh. Hmm. And look at all the blinds are being closed. Everyone wants to sleep. Honk, honk, beep, beep, city rhyme, city beat. Listen to the sound of the street. Ooh. So I hope you enjoyed that story today. Until next time with me, Miss Sheila. Have a wonderful and beautiful day or a wonderful and beautiful rest. Okay, take care.